All right, level 12, we're at the halfway mark. So help the frogs find their lily pads using flex direction and justify content. All right, so there's no real clues here, but we've done this before. So flex direction, if we went column, it would be at the top, as you see there. So we want reverse. That's going to put it down the bottom. Now you'll see that the spacing is all off. There's two options. It could be here, space around or space between. Space around, with the space around, items are evenly distributed in the line with equal space around them. That probably won't work. Let's have a look at what that looks like. No, it's no good. So we want space between because the items are still evenly distributed in the line, but they start with the first item on the start line, which is the red there, and then the last item on the end line, which is the green. So that's what we need here. Perfect.